Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic Plus lessons. Here we explore interesting basic figures which you can find in technique books and also interesting choreographies. And today we will look at running spin turn and running finish to promenade position. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we start with a running spin turn. Figure consists of, let's say, three parts. First part is natural turn, then natural pivot, and then open natural turn in syncopated timing. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us a running spin turn. So as you see, they dance natural turn, then natural pivot, and then open natural turn. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle, and this time with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, then pivot on 1 and continue. And 2, 3. And now let's look at a running finish, which is originally quick step figure, but we dance in waltz, so 3 steps of running finish. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's finish running finish in promenade position. So we dance running finish and lead lady to promenade position. Very good. Let's look again. And 1, 2, 3. And now let's put together running spin turn followed by a running finish to promenade position. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look again from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The next figure we will look at is quick open reverse, which is also originally quick step figure. So we have 3 steps, man goes forward to side and back in CBMP. Let's look again. So lady starts with right foot and goes back to side and forward outside partner. Now we will dance this figure from promenade position, so we will have one more step. And 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Notice that the Romance dances first 2 steps with heel lead. And 1 and 2, 3. Very good. And now let's continue with side cross and then double reverse spin. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now let's put together our today's routine. So we will start with a running spin turn, then a running finish to promenade position, then quick open reverse from promenade position, side cross and double reverse spin. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.